Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
What are you doing?
Fireworks. No, I say fireworks.
Here, I don't want it. Here.
Whoa.
What did you think of that one?
I didn't look at one.
No!
What's the matter?
Can we do another one? No!
What's the matter, Alex?
And you could
Oh dear.
And you could go inside and watch it.
Give a letter with a name.
Who's got sparklers?
Look, I've got a scary caterpillar.
We've got loads more, yes. We've got 24.
There you go.
Ah, right, hold on.
Good boy, well done.
I'll get a light off that one. There you go, Benji. Right, there you go on the end.
Right, put it in the bucket, nice and sensible.
Oh, no, not quite.
There you go.
Hey, Alex. Right, Benji, step back a bit.
Alex,
That's alright, he's coming around behind you. Yeah, he's coming through.
quickly.
There you go, you're alright. There you go, fellas.
I'll go back.
Do some writing. But, What other words can you spell?
Alex, don't. You get it? Get it your sign in me.
Right, just stand clear of each other.
I made a number 8.
Did you? That was good.
Daddy, I done a 7 and a 6.5.
Did you?
7. Daddy, have we got 10 more?
We've probably got, how many have we had? You've had 2 each, haven't you?
No, this is how
Mine's
good.
running out.
I'll get some more. There's more to come.
Mommy's run out. Why are you always taking some of mine? No, Ben.
It's just lighting it then.
Can you take some of Alex's next time?
I'll try, Ben. I'll try.
Then try and get past us next. I'll move over here.
Off the grass spoon.
Why?
The fireworks were good, but they didn't last very long, did they? I know to buy an individual pack next year.
Mine's on out.
Look at
Oh.
them ones over there, guys.
Oh, look, right over there.
Look like the same ones as ours.
They sound similar, don't they?
Robert.
Okay.
They're all going out. There's a couple more.
Mommy!
Right, is this going to be your last one?
Right, if I like.
Can I
Any coloured one?
Can I do
No, they'll just these.
Right, no, Ben. Danger.
be mine first?
Right, you get hold of that there. You got it? Now stay with me, brother.
Right, your turn.
Alex. Here you go. Right, Ben.
Don't.
Don't be dangerous,
This is
Benji.
dangerous.
We don't want anyone burnt, do we? I don't know you.
Right, everyone finish writing their name. I'm doing some pretty pictures. And then we'll go inside.
It's very rainy, isn't it?
And Daddy thinks he's got a waterproof camera.
It's not bad. The camera's alright. My hand, that's all.
Oh, Mummy's is nearly finished. finished, guys. Do a big pattern.
Mummy, when it's nearly finished, it looks like purple.
Yeah.
And mine
Oh, Alex
has-
is doing some groovy moves.
Oh, look at that, Alexander. Groovy.
There you go, Mummy's is all gone.
Daddy, could you put some more water away?
No, there's enough in the bucket, Ben.
Mine, where is it?
So,
We've
you know
still
what it
got
is?
some left, so what we'll do is on Christmas Eve, we'll do some before we go to bed so Santa can see where we live. Does that sound like
Yeah.
a plan?
Why not?
We can show Santa where we live. And go, look, wave it in the sky. Go, here Santa, we live here.
Here, Santa, we live here.
Yeah, should we do that? So do your last names, because it's going to run out in a second. Benji, yours is going.
Oh, it's gonna go. It's gone.
There we
Mine's
go.
nearly gone.
Yeah, there's not much left.
Baby. Big circle, Alex. Last one.
Sorry, Daddy. Sorry.
Go on, you're alright, you're alright, you're alright. It's gone.
Daddy's own focus standing too close. Big circle, is he still going?
There we go.
Good job.
Right, let's get in.
He's so big long.
I don't